Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync email contacts on iPhone. Open Settings, tap Passwords and Accounts, then add or select an account to enable contact syncing. I will walk you through toggling contacts on, choosing default accounts, and merging duplicates safely. I will also cover troubleshooting tips when contacts fail to appear and how to force a manual sync from the account settings. Stay with me, and we will get your contacts organized. To add or enable an account, open Settings and go to Mail then Accounts, tap Add Account and choose your provider. Sign in, then flip the Contacts toggle to on so contacts sync to your iPhone. If you want new contacts saved to one place, set the default account to your preferred service. I'll show how to confirm sync status and how to re-authenticate if a password change interrupts syncing. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video now. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brightens any desk or kitchen and doubles as a hands-free helper for setting reminders to sync contacts. It's compact, sounds great, and pairs easily with your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it suits you. Now let's get back to the video. If contacts aren't appearing, first pull down in the Contacts app to refresh, then check the account sync status in Settings. I'll guide you through merging duplicates and selecting which contacts groups are visible. For stubborn problems, sign out and sign back into the account or remove and re-add it to force a fresh sync. Follow these steps and you'll recover missing entries and keep your contacts tidy and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.